Hey everyone, look at all this Kit Kat. There are so many flavors you can choose from. So today's topic is Japanese chocolate. Here in Japan, we have so many chocolates that are famous for their delicate sweetness and an addictive variety of shapes, flavors, and textures. With so many choices, it's easy to get overwhelmed. So today, I'll be sharing you 6 of Japan's absolute best-selling chocolates that you'll definitely have to try. Let's go check it out. First up is a massive Japanese chocolate hit. Its standout feature is this mountain of almonds. The factory goes through several tons of them every single day. These almonds are coated in chocolate, gradually becoming the shiny, polished gems we know. With its iconic red and white packaging, this treat is a staple for Japanese people. The name of this chocolate is
Almond チョコレートです。
アーモンドチョコレートです。
almond chocolate. It's a snack defined by the combination of crunchy, fragrant roasted almonds and silky smooth chocolate.
疲れてたりとかするとビタミンとか取りたい時にアーモンドが私にはちょうどいい感じに体に染みてて、
やっぱ疲れた時ですね。甘いものが欲しいですね。
Many people say that eating this combination of vitamin-rich almonds and sweet chocolate gives them a much-needed energy boost when they're worn out. Almond chocolate first hit the shelf back in 1962. It has been a long-time favorite in Japan and currently holds the #1 spot in sales for the nut chocolate market. Because it's so popular, manufacturing requires several tons of almonds daily. Every single day, they have to source a volume of almonds roughly equal to the weight of a full-grown elephant. So, how on earth do they collect that many almonds? We talked to the person in charge.
アメリカのカリフォルニアの農園と契約してまして、そこから調達しております。
This is that California almond orchard. As far as the eye can see, nothing but almond trees. The area is massive, equivalent to over 1,600 soccer fields. The trees are heavy with almond fruit, and the harvesting method is quite revolutionary. A specialized almond harvesting machine appears. It locks onto the tree trunk with its front arm, and then it looks like a literal shower of almonds. After falling, the almonds undergo a strict sorting process before being shipped and processed into almond chocolate. Next up is Japan's most iconic stick-shaped chocolate. First, the dough is kneaded to perfection. Then that dough is stretched out into long, thin strands that look almost like noodles. What is this chocolate snack that is now sold all over the world?
Pocky です。
ポッキーです。
Pocky. It's a huge hit thanks to its satisfying snap and the way the sweet chocolate melts in your mouth. Because of its stick shape, some people even get creative and customize their Pocky.
なんかチョコペンでこうやってやって、ツリーみたいにして、やってる子かけて固める木みたいにして。であれやろ、なんか星とかハート。そうつけてデコレーションして。
友達とかはしてましたね。ポッキーとか組み合わせてお菓子の家っぽいのしたりとか、飾り付けみたいなのでしてお菓子の家っぽくしたりとかしてましたね。
Next is another Japanese chocolate classic.
アルフォートです。
アルフォートです。
It is the Alfort.
袋に入ってるのを買うんですけど、濃い青色と水色の2種類食べれてちょっとお得なんです。
味が2個あるんですけど、なんかそれを自分の好みでこう変えて食べるのが好きです。
Alfort launched 32 years ago in 1994. While the standard blue and light blue are the most common, the mini chocolate series also offers flavors like strawberry, matcha, and vanilla. Right now, an even edgier version has appeared at Tokyo Station. A limited time pop-up shop has opened on the B1 floor of Tokyo Station. The sign reads, Alfort for adults. What kind of flavors are they selling?
今日何か買われました？
今日はちょっとお土産にワイン。
アルフォート史上初めてお酒を使用した特別な商品をご用意しております。
初めてですか？お酒を使った商品というのは。
そうですね。アルフォートでは初めてになります。今回の店舗で一番人気の商品がこの大人のアルフォートアソートワイン&ラムという商品になっております。
This set features Alforts made with powdered wine and rum. There's even a version made with powdered sake, a Japanese rice wine, and a pinch of rock salt. They didn't just stop at the flavor, they got creative over the design too. Instead of the usual sailing ship engraving, the chocolate features famous Tokyo landmarks.
冬に食べたくなるチョコは何でしょう？
ブラックサンダーです。
ブラックサンダーです。
Next up is Black Thunder.
ザクザクの食感が好きで、あれは唯一無二ですね。なかなかないです。はい。
The biggest draw is that unique heavy crunch. How is that crunchy texture made? To find out the secret, we got exclusive access inside the factory.
こちらが、ザクザク食感の肝となる、ブラックサンダーココアクッキーになります。でもう1種類が、ブラックサンダーの、白いビスケット、プレーンビスケットになります。ブラックサンダー特有のザクザク食感っていうのを出すために、この2種類のビスケット、クッキーを使っているという形になります。
By using two ingredients in different sizes, they create that intense, multi-layered crunch. And there's another trick for the texture in the next step.
そしてこちらがチョコレートのカーテンになります。
The bars pass through a literal waterfall of chocolate. However, if they left it like this, there would be too much chocolate on the surface, and you wouldn't be able to feel the crunch. So what they do next is they remove the excess surface chocolate with high pressure air.
やっぱりチョコレートが多すぎるとザクザク食感の良さっていうものが薄れてしまうというところもありまして、コーティングをあえて薄くしているという形になります。
And that is the secret to the Black Thunder Crunch. The speed of this factory is insane. They produce about 700,000 bars a day. That's roughly 8 bars per second. Today, they have shipped over 1.9 billion bars. With a texture you'll never forget and an affordable price, Black Thunder is flying off the shelves every day in Japan. The next snack is a long-selling favorite known for its amazing texture. This right here is the dough. The dough is rolled out flat and cut into perfect hexagons. The hexagonal pieces are sent into the oven and baked until they are light, airy, and golden brown. These flaky pastry layers filled with chocolate are
パイの実です。
パイの実です。
パイの実。
電子レンジに入れてサクサクにもなるし、生チョコレートにもなるので。
According to the manufacturer, heating them in the microwave unlocks a next level experience.
ご家庭の電子レンジですと600ワットで35秒くらい温めていただくとサクサクととろーりの食感がいい感じになります。
Alright, finally, the last chocolate snack. Let's peek into the factory. This is the main ingredient, the wafers. They are dropped into a mold already filled with chocolate, then smothered with even more chocolate from above. I bet you've seen this before, right? The snack is
じゃん、キットカットです。 キットカットです。
Kit Kat. While Kit Kat was born in the UK, it first landed in Japan in 1973. Now, Japanese Kit Kats have been a global phenomenon. In this shop in Tokyo, the walls are packed with Kit Kats, and foreign tourists are buying them up one after another. Why do tourists buy Kit Kats in Japan?
And then look at Emma Ryan's. Wow, the two baskets.
One woman is looking at her phone, sounding very excited.
We have a few, but they're like different, like
like milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Nothing like this though.
She was showing.
I was showing my mum all these. I showed her basically the whole shelf here. There's all Kit Kat. I was like, I'm gonna buy everything here. Mum, are you surprised seeing all the different flavors? Yeah.
Exactly. Compared to other countries, Japan has an overwhelmingly huge variety of flavors. By the way, here are the top 3 best-selling regional limited Kit Kats for tourists. Number 3, Kit Kat Sake. Number 2, Ito Kyuemon Uji Matcha. And the number 1 spot goes to the blueberry cheesecake flavor. So which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inside looks at Japan's best treats. Thanks for watching.